Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your unique graduation invitations. Ever wondered how to make your graduation invitations stand out? How about recent trend that's taken the world of academia by storm? The answer lies in the realm of Etsy, the global marketplace for unique and creative goods. Today, we'll delve into the story of a recent phenomenon, Etsy graduation invitations. Imagine this, a listing for an editable graduation invitation that's not just any ordinary invite. It's for the class of 2023 and can be customized with text to your heart's content. A digital file that's yours to edit, personalize, and print, right from the comfort of your home. But it doesn't end there. This Etsy seller has a partnership with Prints of Love, a professional printing service. So, if you're not up to the task of printing the invitations yourself, you have the option to go pro. The beauty of this invitation lies in its flexibility. Edit it on a free account, download it as a PNG, JPG, or PDF file, and print it on thick cardstock to give it that extra touch of elegance. But what about the quality, you ask? Well, it carries a seal of approval from previous customers with reviews testifying to its appeal. However, it's important to note that this item is for personal use only. It cannot be resold or redistributed, ensuring the exclusivity of your unique graduation invitation. So, to summarize, Etsy graduation invitations offer a blend of customization, convenience, and quality. These digital templates allow you to put a personal touch on your invitations, while the partnership with Prints of Love provides the option for professional printing. The terms of use maintain the exclusivity of your invitation, ensuring it stands out from the crowd. So if you're looking to make your graduation invites a little more special, consider exploring the world of Etsy graduation invitations. It's a trend that's making waves in the world of academia, offering a fresh take on a time-honored tradition. Remember to check out the link in the description below to buy your unique graduation invitations.